Hi everybody, this is Kelly Witten again with Texas Mom Tupperware. I want to go over two of my favorite products right now. This one I just found out about. It's the FridgeSmarts container, and I'm already in love with it. Usually when you buy strawberries, within a couple of days, they're already starting to turn, even sometimes get a little mold on them. These I put in here on October 9th. Today is the 19th. That is 10 days in the refrigerator, a week and a half. So what I did was you put them in here straight from the grocery store. You don't rinse them, nothing. Just put them in here and look on this little chart. It comes right on the container and you find, where they go, strawberries right here. And there, see how there's a closed dot. Where on the top of the lid, I don't know if you can see it on here, there's a little chart right here. You got half open, completely closed, or all the way open. So the completely circled dot is completely closed. And so I just, move this over to where it's supposed to go for the fruit or vegetable you want. Say you have pears. Here's pears. Okay, it's half open. So if I was putting pears in here, I'd have the little latch over one dot. But I have strawberries, so I'm gonna keep it right here. Now a week and a half later, my strawberries are still awesome. Like, they're bright, they're red. There's no mold, no shriveling, nothing. They're perfect. So it's been really hard not to just eat them too, because I've been wanting to show everybody how these work. So now that I'm showing you, I can eat them. Or Delilah will eat them mostly. So that is our FridgeSmart containers. Let me put these back in the refrigerator real quick. If you have any questions on that, let me know. Comment below and I'll message you back and if you have any other questions. The other thing I have, this, like I said in my last video, this was my very first piece of Tupperware that I own personally. It's the microwavable breakfast maker. Kind of two little pieces right here. But what I didn't know is that you can make other things with this microwave breakfast maker. And what I'm going to make today is brownies. Yes, brownies. So, for me, I love brownies, but I don't make them a lot because right now it's just, me and the little kids at home because my husband's working at, out of state right now. So if I make a batch of brownies, it's just me that's going to eat them. Here, I'm going to make basically a personal size. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my bowl here, take 2 packages of regular hot chocolate mix, okay? This is Swiss Miss. Swiss Miss. Throw that in there. Then I'm going to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour. This is 3 tablespoons. Mix those in there. 2 tablespoons of canola oil. I did not have canola oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Hopefully it'll still work out. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then 2 tablespoons of water. Just 1, 2. Hey, bonus points if you know where that's from. And then we're just gonna mix this all up. Mix, 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 mix. Make sure you get everything incorporated together. Get it off the sides. Oh, this is really cool. This is my first time using my spatula. A very cool little Tupperware spatula. It really helps scrape the sides off really well. I like it. Alright, so everything's mixed up. Now, one of the best things about the breakfast maker is that it is non-stick. So I'm going to take the bottom of my breakfast maker. You can tell this is the top because you can see the vent holes right here. So that's their top. Now I've got this all mixed. I'm just gonna pour it in. Boop. All right. I'm just gonna make sure it's all not in there, nice and even. Do do do. All right. All right. Now the best part. Knock that over. Chocolate chips. Woo! I'm just gonna sprinkle those across the top. All right. Put my lid on. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. Now, I'm gonna put it somewhere in between since I've never made them before, and we'll see how they turn out. Be back in just a minute. Okay, so I just got this out of the microwave. Once the microwave dings, make sure to leave it in there for a few moments. Let it cool off because it will still be a little bit hot to the touch. But look at this. We got brownies in the microwave in less than 2 minutes. And I didn't have to heat up the whole house with the oven. So, put this over here. I'm just going to take this out. Whoop. It all cleaned out. No oil, no cooking spray, no nothing, just straight Tupperware. So let's see. That is a chocolatey brownie. I wish I had some vanilla ice cream. That's really good. Alright guys, have any questions? Comment below. Sorry I took too big of a bite. Any questions, comment. I'll also post a link to my website and to my Facebook group below as well. Bye guys.